our YouTube channel Cooks and Crafts by Rakshita Mehta. And today we will be making a cookie thandai mousse. For this particular recipe, you need these kind of shot glasses, and if you have a holy party at your place, then this is the best recipe that you can make. So for making this thandai powder, the link is given in the description box below. You can make your own thandai powder at your home. You need not to go to supermarkets or buy some big jars or big packets of thandai powder. Just mix all these ingredients into the grinder and you're ready to go. So let's start this particular recipe and do try it for your holy party at your home. Now we'll pour this whipping cream into a bowl and we'll beat this. You have to use whipping cream. Do not use any dairy cream or Amul cream. Use only whipping cream. Okay? Always use this kind of whipping cream. Now beat this at full speed. In a bowl, we'll add cream. Okay, I'm taking half the cream. To this, I'll add thandai powder. Two to 3 tablespoons, and we'll mix this. This is your thandai mousse that is ready. You can use this in your cake fillings also. If you're making any kesar cake or cardamom cake or any kind of such flavors that you're using, Indian flavors, you can use this particular cream or this mousse as a filling for those cakes. Now I'll take this piping bag. We'll fold this and then I'll add the mousse to this. So I'll cut the piping bag here. Now we'll fill this mousse and this cookie mixture one by one into our pudding cups. So now I am adding this cookie mixture to this. Okay, this is the regular digestive cookie mixture that I am adding. You have to keep it on your eye level like this so that you can see the layers of your pudding easily. Okay, just make it in a level way so that you don't make your pudding look untidy. So this is how you should have a proper and clean layering of your pudding. Next, I am adding this thandai mixture to this, the thandai mousse that we have made. Next layering will be for this. Now we are adding another layer of cookie mixture on this. So this is how you will level your cookie base, and again you can see 3 layerings in this. Okay. Now last layer will be for mousse again. Now I am just giving it a scrape with the palette knife so that it looks neat and tidy from the top. We'll use this piping bag and I am using a star nozzle here. Okay, so this star nozzle will go into the piping bag and I'll cut this from the bottom. this is how you have to make your piping bag ready. I'll use this regular white whipping cream and put it into the piping bag. And we'll take this mousse cup, okay, and I'll pipe it. Our cookie thandai pudding is now ready. This has a nice layer of crunchy cookies and a creamy pudding that we have centered it. And now you can make this recipe on your holy parties at your home. You can also make this batter and keep it ready and just go on serving on your parties and your events. So this is the perfect recipe for your dessert table. If you like our recipe, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of all the new upcoming